Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on a low-end PC without a dedicated graphics card. First, you'll want to adjust your in-game settings for the best possible performance. Next, ensure your operating system and all drivers are up to date. Finally, close any unnecessary background applications to free up valuable system resources. These initial steps are crucial for a smoother gaming experience. Now, let's dive into specific in-game settings. Set your display resolution to a lower value, perhaps 1280 by 720 for a significant boost. Always select Performance Mode to prioritize frame rates. Make sure to disable shadows, anti-aliasing, and all post-processing effects. Also, reduce your view distance and texture quality to their lowest settings for optimal play. Beyond in-game adjustments, system optimization is key. First, confirm your PC meets Fortnite's minimum system requirements. If possible, use a solid-state drive for much faster loading times. For systems with limited RAM, increasing your virtual memory can help. Remember to regularly clean temporary files and defragment your hard drive to maintain peak performance. For advanced users, a lightweight operating system might offer better resource management. It's important to manage your expectations. Graphics quality and frame rates will be lower without a dedicated card. While overclocking can offer a small performance boost, proceed with caution. Finally, ensure your PC has adequate cooling to prevent thermal throttling and maintain stable performance during long gaming sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.